Got some bait. Got one up in there, one about the other one.
The big fish scared of
No, we ain't got no bait now either, huh? I want to put some bait, y'all. We did make bait yesterday, though. Got a few pieces in here. I'll be feeding my bait sometime. You'll be laughing at me, y'all. Got some bait in there. Yeah. Make those in shape.
I had them too this morning.
You did?
Yeah, I know you gotta feed your fish, man. They feed you, though.
Yeah, man. All right, y'all. We back at it again. This is video like number 32, man. I did some jackass shit yesterday. Made y'all good YouTube video, man.
We'll make another one.
About to make another one today, but sitting there trying to save the whole video. Needed to make some storage on my phone. Deleted everything. Then they said I couldn't import the video. Cause I had files that was undetected in my phone. Yeah, man, they played me, man. We got a lot of bait up in there. I suppose. Came back yesterday, Amio hit a halibut. We hit 3 halibuts, 2 smalls, one about 23 inches.
We had something big if we missed.
Yeah, we did have something big that came through. I don't know what the hell that was. If that pole holder wasn't mounted down, he tried to flip the whole kayak, honestly. If I'd have had the tuna pole up out there, he'd have flipped the kayak. You gotta have your drag set up out here, y'all. Yeah, they up out there fishing. Yeah.
Blue sky is almost a day too, guys.
Yeah. Yesterday was a little gloomy. You know what, man? Hopefully today's video, man, 10 times better, man. Cause, man, we had some shit for y'all. We had some good stuff for y'all.
We had some content.
Oh yeah, we had some content. Some real content. We'll get it back for y'all. Trying to do this for y'all, man. Fuzz. Chip.
Y'all to get out here.
Jay. Darian, I know you coming already, Darian.
DC, like to drive on time. Drive out here. Oh, I drive for a living.
DC will come sit out here with a pole in his hand with no bait on the whole day.
Just chill.
And just sit here. Drink beer and talk hella shit. Hey, why you ain't got a boat that big?
Yup.
Hey, boo.
Why your house don't look like that?
Yeah, why your house don't look like that? You.
Oh, man. Why, man?
All right, y'all, so we made it to the spot. It's going down right now. About to hit a nice little halibut.
About to get your boat took.
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah, all right.
Been a couple times yesterday, they almost took my pole, but I ain't let this pole go. I love this pole.
Man.
Amy always said every time I talk shit, man, something happen. Which nigga would here? I take this pole.
Tell me, lock your pole in.
Bring that little funky fish over here. Come on, little halibut. Where you at?
Halibut alley right there.
Where you at, little halibut?
Right.
All right, so look, this is what's going on. Got the rocks up over there. Watch my pole. We'll see.
It's way more fun.
Got the rocks up over there. And we got the give me a slow little pedal, Cuddy. Slow little pedal real quick. Then we got the sand right up under us. So the halibut love this sand, y'all. Bouncing that live bait off the bottom. Got big fishing boats pulling past us. Trip, man. Our fishing yacht getting worked on right now, man. Custom, you feel me? Custom paint, custom interior, custom everything. But for now, we out here on the kayak. Catching some halibuts.
Yeah, we did good yesterday. We got to get like the same ball.
Oh no, we're gonna do real good today too, watch. Alright, so quick update, y'all. Sheriffs came and kicked us on our good spot, man. We hit 3 halibut over there yesterday. Missed probably about 4 of them, 3-4 of them. Missed a good amount of them. But yeah. Said the place is restricted over there, man. Restricted lands, man. They make too many rules, man. You can't no restrict water, man. There's got God over here, man. It's crazy, man. sad right now, y'all. Well, what is it called when people like collect clams and oysters and shit? There's a word for it, y'all. What's it called? That's what he been doing.
I don't know if they should collect them like at home.
Nah, man, when you get them to eat.
Fishing.
Nah, I ain't fishing.
Oh, there we go.
Got him?
Yep.
Come on, get him up, come on.
Oh.
Fat halibut. What you got?
Oh, man, a little bad.
Ah, man. Yeah. See, y'all see our spot over there? You ever catch y'all at our spot, man? We tripping. Letting you guys know that right now.
Don't go there.
Signed our name on that spot. It's off limits now. We'll make it legal pretty soon. It's out here fishing. Enjoying the beautiful daylight. Man. I hear you. There's some halibut up over here, for sure. We just gotta fish this side of the bridge. Think so? Yeah. We got clam on that one. Live bait on this one. Live bait on that one. Ain't nothing like making live bait and catching fish, y'all.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. Nice and beautiful up out here, man. Beautiful day. In a bite? Okay, Cuddy about to hit the halibut on y'all. About to hit the halibut. What we hunting for? We hunting for these halibuts. Yeah. Looking, man. See what you got, man.
Oh, I don't want to rush it. Oh. Damn, I've been fish all day, man. Oh, look at that.
Hold on, I think I'm getting the bite too.
Oh, shit.
Make sure none of these poles get.
Oh, no.
Get him, man. Cook him. You got him?
It's something small, though.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Little sea bass.
A white sea bass?
Yeah.
Get the nice white sea bass, y'all.
See them colors?
Oh, wait.
Wish we could eat.
All right, y'all. So the time is currently. Cuddy, what time is it? 5:51. 5:51. Today wasn't as successful as yesterday. Let me see what we get. Then we hit like two bass. Cuddy just hit a white sea bass. Came to the conclusion what we're gonna do though is about to go shark fishing, y'all. All right, y'all. So we just pulled up. Pole went down.
Right here at the house.
Get him up.
Hooked up.
What is it though?
Oh,
is it a
wow.
halibut? Ooh, it's a stingray.
Oh, stingray. Right here at the house.
Right here at the house, y'all.
That's the thing we've been seeing all day.
Wait, what did he hit? He hit the live bait.
Nice thing.
That's my pole, but you pulled him up, so you got to deal with him.
Oh my God. Let me get off first. Get off first.
I ain't messing with it.
Let me see where my pole on this side.
This is the yacht that we've been using, y'all. Well, it's really a yacht, but we call it a yacht, you know?
Stingray strong.
Yeah.
Look at the pole on real quick so I can get off.
Huh?
Look at the pole so I can get off.
I don't want nothing to do with that pole.
Want to take it over?
Here, give me your pole right there, that red, black one.
Wait, am I in the hole?
There you go.
I'm about to take it.
All right, y'all. We about to go catch some sharks, though. Y'all know I don't like sharks. Wait, let me get that straight. I don't mind sharks. They can't be like no great white sharks. Man, yeah. Being in the water with them was a little vicious. Man, I feel like they ain't control at that point. Ooh, it's bait down there swimming. I might catch some bait. I see a lot of bait down there. All right, I'm gonna show you how we catch bait. Check this out. All right. Somebody gotta give me $100 if I catch some bait right now. I need 100. Okay. Let me see. DC, if I catch some bait right now, I'm gonna need $100, DC. Let me see.
But they're not biting today for some reason.
They bite.
Let's see you pull up one.
$100?
Nah, it's to the viewers.
Yeah, $100. I pull one up.
We're in this together. I hope you do make bait.
1, 2. Oh, that's a.
What's that? Different fish.
They about to eat him. Oh no, it's a big guy. About to use him for bait too. Is that a striper?
Nah,
He making noise. He talking. Y'all know what this is? Must be catching bait. I don't know what this is.
Should have kept that thing you call using for shark.
That's what I'm thinking.
Cookie straight to the back, throwing him out there.
I don't know. Shark like dead bait. He wouldn't catch enough sometime. Probably would have caught a big shark. Purple perch. Ooh, there we go.
Oh, he made all the bait.
Halibut. He's salty. All right.
Oh, that's my phone with that.
In the boat.
Yeah.
In the yacht.
Yacht, man. Yacht.
It's a yacht for the yacht. Fishing yacht.
Tomorrow's a big day, right?
You're where I last saw you, and I'm where you last saw me.
All right.
What's the point of having so much money if you can't fish?
Right? Yeah.
Oh man, they put me for one of my baits already.
Big shark. One time for the push. 2 times for the push.
It's like an adrenaline rush from you.
Time for the push. That DC song. Time for the push.
It's like a real adrenaline rush. Nervous as sharks when they're that close to me. I like catching fish.
I'm gonna get a shark. I'm gonna get a shark. I'm gonna put it there.
Respect the yacht, y'all. This is the yacht. The leg power.
Hey, watch. Come go. Hey. Cody. Come on, I told y'all to run. I hear that. Run. Cody, run.
Yeah, they say they got horsepower. This is king power, y'all.
Run, Cody.
It's gonna be fun, y'all. Hey, you scared of sharks?
I'm not really scared of sharks if I'm in something like this, but if I was in the water, I'd be scared of the shark.
How small they gotta be for not to be scared?
About 2 feet.
So if it's a big, so anything over 8 feet, you gonna be spooked?
I said 2, so 3.
Oh, you said 2 feet?
Yeah.
Oh, we for sure catch a 6-foot shark.
You think so?
Yeah. Man, me and Darion was hitting some big sharks up out here. We couldn't land them.
In this, we're gonna hit 3-foot shark.
Yeah, we're gonna hit 5-6-foot shark.
Y'all was hitting them in this or in the ocean?
Something like this.
Like a harbor.
It was going into like a little
Ocean.
Indian, yeah.
All right, y'all heard it here first.
So we had a shark. Amio lost a shark.
I did.
So that's how that went, y'all. But we did put the work in to get a shark. Put him on top of the shark. For some reason, let the shark go. Yeah, we found one.